Welcome back to our ChatHero video tutorial. In this video, I will teach everyone how to use another type of ChatGPT, how to train your chatbot. Okay, so last time, where's the video? I just have to show different uses. This video, we will introduce a relatively simple mode, just that we can use the questions they asked. How do you answer when someone asks you to go with them? Go and train the mode of your chatbot. This is how we designed it. We are performing a similar design based on the official OpenAI organization. So I believe if you've specifically studied an OpenAI inside a ChatGPT website, you can observe that there's a function inside. If it's here in the playground, you can enter some of your promotional. Then the next step is to say that you can do it as a user through this way. The way to train you is in terms of how to reply with the assistant. So this is their official website. Here we have to do the same thing. So what we have is to do the exact same thing as before. We have designed it in this ChatGPT model. So here you can achieve the same effect in this ChatGPT model. Firstly, how can I locate this interface? We have the option to navigate to our integration section. So you are identical. You go to point setting, go to the integration side. You go and select OpenAI ChatGPT again. Upon my arrival at this place, you can see a prompt and plates. Okay, so in this specific area, he is the individual who has the ability to address your frequently asked questions, or he will provide a more straightforward method to train your model. We press manage. If you come here, we have already opened one. If you do not open it, you can add it. We utilize it. We have performed some samples prior to this. Okay to hear the same prompt above. This is always what you need to remember. You want to teach that chatbot some information. How to respond to customers, for instance, in a manner of speaking. Okay? Simply instruct him to provide him with some guidance. And then what? You can put some information about your company here. Okay, basically, you just need to remember 2 points here. From your command, with your business information, put it in like this. So next over here, it is about frequently asked questions from customers. Then how should your system's AI respond? If you come over here, you can keep pressing add message continuously. Just run it like 𝗬𝗏. All right, so what is your next step after completing these tests? We have the option to simply save it without any intermediaries. Okay, do you recall that you saved it here? Just go back to your integration here. Then you open this edit. Then you must remember it, because you do not need to put anything in this field. Then proceed to this prompt. What is the name of the one you just selected and put down? I said I should put testing here. So I chose to go back and test on my side, so you can only choose between prompt and assistant here. Cannot use both simultaneously. So here, you choose one, I choose one for testing, then it's the same. Choose the model you want. If you want to change, I've already picked a 3.5 on my end. Then the max temp token is here. I keep saying press continue. Okay. So here we can just do some simple tests. So generally, I recommend you to do some simple tests. You are going to test your chatbot immediately before you let the customer go. Go use your AI chatbot. To avoid this type of reply, which is not appropriate, I simply inquired about this matter. Is there any promotion? Can I ask for some more related resources? We can see that is. Can you see the reply here, the sentence replied by this bot here? Basically, it can be said that they are 90% the same. Then he is just here. He simply posted an emoji to someone. So, am I allowed to speak in English here? What typeface are you using today? Basically, I can speak, how do you want him, how to reply. You are just like this. You just use this from to do the training. You can achieve the desired effect. So, what's next? You can continue to ask the next question. Any sight? Okay, can you see it? That is to say, he is here. If you inquire in Chinese language today, still the same can achieve the effect you want. He is just translated into Chinese. So basically, for that prompt template, he is more suitable for, that is to say, if you want to do some bot training and say use user and bot like this, just Q&A. You can think of him as Q&A, go and do, just answer the question, answer. And remember, we currently have one here. Just to mention, there are 3 different ways available on our OpenAI side. Then you can see which method will be most suitable for your industry, and then the aspect he replied belongs to you. Favorite, he will have a portion, we will have a portion, and in the early stages, we have a promenade. This is what you can put in all, and then there will be a division into prom and another assistant. Then there is another one called modify PT trigger to provide multiple options for users to select from. Choose the mode that suits your preference for AI training. Each thing will have varying effects and then be distinct. Utilize. In our upcoming video, I will instruct everyone on how to utilize the assistant function. See you in our subsequent film.